welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you this entire look. So today we're doing hair and we're doing makeup, a really easy tutorial all the way around. So Reshine Hair sent me this unit to showcase for you guys, so that's what we're doing today. Just gonna show you how I easily got this look. This hair is beautiful, by the way. It is 30 inches of gorgeousness, but we'll get into that in just a minute. And like I just said, this easy makeup look for the summer, I use very minimal amount of products. So yeah, you guys, not gonna blab, let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this hair. So this is their 30-inch water wave unit, and we're gonna start off by plucking this hairline. The sides weren't too bad, but the middle really needed to be plucked, mainly just focusing on reducing the bulk up there. So that's what I'm doing here, you guys, and this is how much hair I ended up getting within like just maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And this is how my hairline looks now. So it's a lot thinner at the front. I didn't go for any kind of design or anything. Just wanted it to be a little thinned out and have a little bit more of a natural hairline. So this is my go-to hairspray. I don't ever use any glue to lay my units. This is my TG Bedhead Hardhead. I never have gotten that name right in like the 2 years I've been using this hairspray. Anyways, it's hairspray and just blow drying it down, cutting down this lace. This lace is HD lace, you guys. So it's going to be perfect to blend with basically any skin tone. So you shouldn't have any issues, no problems with that. And now just laying down the excess lace, and then I'm actually using an elastic band to really melt it, which I never really do, but I decided to use an elastic today and it really helped. So just going in and adding some very dramatic baby hair, you guys. Whenever I do my edges like this, so whenever I have a lot of hair, like this 30 inches, I'm gonna go all out with the baby hair. It just is what it is. And I try and curve them a little bit to get more of a, like when I'm actually parting it, kind of do a C if you have some problems with like getting your edges to lay right or that kind of thing. That's just what I try and focus on, is just doing a C on my hairline, and then just using some foam to just lay them, swoop them, make them a little bit, not crazy dramatic, but they're a little bit more than what I normally do, because this hair it's gonna turn heads and it just calls for a little bit of extraness. All right, you guys, so let's move on to this hair. I know this is why you guys are here. This hair is really pretty, you guys. The curl pattern, this water wave, is gorgeous. I don't have any complaints. It's really full. I believe this is 250% density, but don't hold me to it. I will put all the information on this unit down below in the description box. But it doesn't need really anything. You guys just see me here hitting it with a little bit of wax and then my hot comb right at the top. And then I'm just gonna apply a little bit, well, actually a lot of water, because this is 30 inches of hair right here. And then I'm gonna use this really inexpensive mousse that I got from my beauty supply store, and that's basically it. I'll diffuse it at the end of this video, but this is such a, oh, you guys, I love this unit. I don't know if you could tell, I've posted on Instagram and everything. It, like I said, does need to be bleached. The knots do need to be bleached. The hairline does need to be plucked. So I wouldn't recommend just wearing this right out of the bag. I say put a little bit of work into it, but it's not anything that's gonna like drive you crazy, and that's like excessive. All right, you you guys, so getting into this really easy and quick makeup look, I'm starting off with my foundation, which I'm using my Giorgio Armani. I've already added some translucent powder before adding the foundation because it is a little bit warmer now and I do have oily skin, and this just helps to kind of maintain that oil. And then just using a really dense foundation brush to get that all worked in. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I feel like I bought this a long time ago when it first came out, then forgot about it, and this is a holy grail product for so many makeup lovers out there, and I'm really loving it this summer, especially not highlighting right here, but just in my normal shade. Just using a little bit on my cheeks is perfect for just a little bit of coverage, you guys, and especially if you're in warmer climate, it just stays put for hours. So I just patted a little bit of Laura Mercier in the honey underneath my eyes, and then I'm going in with my LYS and my Makeup by Mario bronzing powder. I kind of did a little bit of both on the perimeter. Next, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. This was her bronzing palette, but I'm just using those little shimmer shades. So I use just the golden shimmer. It's so pretty to me and perfect for summer. And then no eyeliner or anything, just gonna pop these lashes that I get all my lashes, you guys, from AliExpress. I just pop these on because they're one of my favorites. And then using this Makeup by Mario lip balm. If you do not have this lip balm, it makes your lips so juicy and wet looking. It's amazing. And adding, of course, a little bit of blush that I've had for forever. I love a good pink blush, you guys. But yeah, that's basically it for the makeup. Just gonna go in and diffuse this hair a bit because it needed some help. It was taking forever to dry. And that's basically it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the whole makeup hair routine thing that I did today. Don't forget to check the description box for any additional information I have on this unit. So coupon codes or discount codes, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.